So this is a Lamborghini Countach in black, but this is the modern Countach. I can't remember exactly what year it is. Either 2020, 21, 22, 23. I can't remember anymore. But this is the modern one. So let's just open it. So now we remove the backdrop. Now we could see the outside. So let's give it a good look. So a bit hard to tell the angles and the edges because of the color, but that's fine because I already have a white and red one, so this one will be the third one. Now if you're asking yourself why do I have so many, it's just because I kind of like the way the car looks in general. I have one in white, I have one in red, and the white one was when I think they were first introduced, and I got it just because it was new. And then the red one I saw, I forgot where, I think it was at Costco as well. I saw the red one and I just loved the way the color looked on it, which I actually have right next to me, but I'll show it when it's off the stand. So let's hurry up and just take off the plastic strip. So now with the strip removed and the band and the stickers, let's take a look at the inside. So the interior is red seats, red accents. It looks really, really good. So now the front, a tiny little space in there, barely big enough to hold the screws. So if you want to put like a coin in there or something that's the size of a dime, you can. In the back, so that is the engine bay. So you have the gold or bronze, and then you have the suspension right here. Nice to see, and even see it through the glass as well. So now let's just take it off the stand. So this is what the underside looks like. The name of it, Maisto, and some of the details. A lot of vents or ports or whatever they're called. Let me know in the comments. And you even have some of these. I think that just looks so nice, so good. So now let's just put it on the turntable. So that is it for the Lamborghini Countach LPI 804. Not a whole lot to it. It's an incredibly simple car, and again in the black it's just kind of hard to tell. But one thing I did forget is to compare. So to compare it to the red one that I have right next to me, I think the red on it looks really, really, really good. Although it doesn't come across well on camera. It kind of looks like the Revolto, but on this one it's like a really dark red, almost like an apple. But that's just to compare the two. And now let's get it on the turntable. So that is it for the black Lamborghini Countach. There's not much to it. It's a really simple car. Not much to it. It's, to me, I really like the car in black. Kind of reminds me of the Batmobile, although when people think about it, it's in the matte color. But I like it glossy. So that is it for this. So let's just open up the doors real quick. So that is the car with all the doors open. You can see the engine bay. It's really nice and detailed. The interior, again in the red, it looks really, really nice. The trunk, or the front trunk, that doesn't have much space to it, so you know, it is what it is. One thing I did notice, however, I think it's just a me problem when I was taking it out or something, but there is a little chip right here. Like, you can kind of see it on camera, but that it looks like it's the primer under it. So I'm not sure exactly what happened there, but again, it is what it is. Something I'm not going to really notice, and if I really wanted to, I could just hit it with a Sharpie and no one will ever know it's there. So that is it for this car. Not much else to say, and thank you for watching.